How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can backup and restore your WhatsApp messages. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to back up and or restore WhatsApp chat on your iPhone, what you might want to do is make sure that you have the updated version of your WhatsApp. So just go ahead to your App Store, search for WhatsApp. After you find WhatsApp, simply update the app to the latest version. After you update it, you can then head back and open up your WhatsApp again. After you open up your WhatsApp, what you can then do is go to the settings. It is on the bottom right corner. And after you're on your settings, go to the chats section. You should find chats right here. Tap on it. And after you open up your chats, you'll see chat backup in the option right here. So tap on chat backup. Now all you have to do is tap on the backup now button to start backup. So this is manual backing up, and if you want to automate it, you'll see auto backup right under backup now. If you tap on auto backup, you'll get three options. One is daily backup, other is weekly backup, and the last one is monthly backup. So you can choose one to, simply turn on auto backup. And yeah, this is optional. So just do that and finish the backup. After you do that, you can also toggle on the include videos option to include videos in the backup, basically all the media files. And yeah, you will need to ensure that you have enough space in your iCloud. And yeah, if you have insufficient storage, it can cause the backup to fail. So after you've done that, if you want to then restore your WhatsApp chats, all you have to do is delete WhatsApp application from your iPhone, download WhatsApp again, open up your WhatsApp, and after you've done that, after you've started setting up your terms and conditions, when you'll get prompted to restore chat history. Tap on it and the restoration will get completed, and it's basically that simple. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.